Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am back for another face mask Monday. Oh my god, you guys, I haven't been uploading any videos for the last couple of months apart from my travel video last week. But today I am back for another face mask Monday. I am going to try this Lush Don't Look at Me fresh face mask. Yeah, it's so pretty. So yeah, if you like to see the demo and the face mask application, and then just keep on watching. Lush products are known with its natural ingredients. This face mask claims to cleanse and gives your skin a vibrant complexion, exfoliating, and it softens your skin. This face mask has been in the market for a couple of years and has very good reviews on it. So if you haven't tried or never heard of it before, it's not too late to try it. So here are my thoughts. The bright vivid blue color is so stunning that definitely had my attention when I was in the Lush store. And the product detail says that this mask has a ground rise that will scrub away your dry skin, but also very moisturizing. And if you want to know the details about the ingredients, and here it is. So after applying it all over my face, I will be leaving it on my skin for about 15 minutes. And here how it looks like applied on my face. "15 minutes is over, so time to rinse it off with warm water while also massaging as it goes." My initial thoughts about this mask is my skin feels really nice and soft. It also gave my skin a silky finish, if you can tell. The exfoliating is just right and it's not too harsh. My face feels really clean and I cannot feel any tightness in my face like some of the purifying masks that I have tried before. The only downside for me is it expires very quickly, giving me at least like 13 days to use all the products, which is for me that is a bit expensive if I am going to buy it on a regular basis. I am giving this product 4 stars. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!